If you are looking for strong and precise aluminum parts, gravity die casting is a process that delivers. Whether you are a designer or engineer, here are the 10 most important questions to help you understand why gravity die casting is so valuable. Gravity casting is like slowly pouring water. The melted aluminum flows naturally into the mold, filling it evenly. This creates strong, dense parts, ideal for thick walls and heat treatment. High-pressure die casting works like a high-pressure water jet, forcing aluminum into the mold at high speed. It's great for thin-walled parts and fast production. However, it traps more air, which can weaken the parts. Gravity casting has fewer porosity, making it better for high-strength, reliable components. Sand casting is like shaping some things with wet sand. It's affordable and good for very large or custom parts. The surface is rough. The precision is low. Gravity casting is more like using a metal mold to bake a cake. It creates parts with better accuracy and a smooth surface. It also works well for medium-sized production run. If you need high precision and strong mechanical properties, such as for machine brackets or car parts, gravity casting is a better choice. Aluminum alloys for gravity die casting each is suited for a different use. A356 is strong and resistant to corrosions, making it perfect for automotive parts. A319 has good casting properties. It's great for engine housing. A413 flows easily, allowing for complex thin wall designs. Aluminum silicon 7 magnesium offers excellent mechanical strength and is often used in industrial and marine applications. If you need high strength and wear resistance, go for A356. If your design is complex, A413 might be the better options. Gravity cast parts are strong and have dense internal structure, making them capable of handling heavy loads. Since the melted aluminum fails the most slowly, it traps less air, resulting in fewer pores. This improves durability and reduces the risk of cracking or breaking over time. Because of this, gravity casting is ideal for high-strength and reliable applications, such as automotive suspension system, hydraulic components, and industrial machinery. Gravity casting can produce medium complex parts. The typical wall thickness is 3 to 6 mm, with a minimum of about 2.5 mm. If the walls are too thin, the melted aluminum may not flow properly, causing defects. It can also produce large parts over 500 mm, such as engine mounts and mechanical housing. If your part needs high strength but isn't extremely complex, gravity casting is a great choice. Gravity casting uses molds for consistent shapes. The dimensional accuracy is much better, typically achieving tolerance of plus minus 0.3 mm to plus minus 0.5 mm, meeting international standards. This is far more precise than sand casting. If your part needs even tighter tolerances, CNC machining can be used for final adjustments. Gravity cast parts have a smoother finish than sand cast parts. The surface roughness is usually between 3.2 to 6.3 microns, similar to fine sandpapers. If the part is for an internal structure, it can be used as is. For visible or high-end applications, such as car decorative parts or industrial equipment, polishing, coating, or anodizing can be added to enhance appearance and corrosion resistance. Think of a gravity casting mold as a long-term investment. It typically lasts between 50,000 to 100,000 shots, much longer than the one-time use molds in sand casting. While the initial cost of the mold is high, the cost per part decreases significantly with large production runs. If you plan to produce thousands or even tens of thousands of parts, gravity casting becomes a cost-effective option over time. Yes, gravity cast parts have fewer air pockets, making them ideal for precision CNC machining. Some alloys, such as A356, can also undergo T6 heat treatment to improve strength and hardness. As for welding, A356 and aluminosilicon 7 magnesium are good choices, but A319 does not weld well. If your parts require machining, welding, or heat treatment, gravity casting is a great solution. Gravity casting is widely used in automotive, industrial machinery, medical equipment, marine electronics, and renewable energy industries. Examples include engine mounts and gearbox housings for cars, pump housing and valve bodies for industrial equipment, X-ray machine frames in medical devices, and wind turbine components in renewable energies. These applications require high strength, low porosity, and stable dimensional accuracy, exactly what gravity casting offers. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into gravity die casting. If you have any questions or need help with the project, feel free to contact us. Visit our website to learn more.